Welcome to company SCHURZ. We are a special company in Austria which produce prototypes, and this one is one of our last production which I want to show you how it is functioning. This machine can be moved with a forklift truck to position it on the correct place in the company of the customer. And in these containers normally seed will be stored and transported. And to clean these containers, it is necessary to have this special machine, which is special customized produced. I will show now how it is functioning. First, you have, of course, to plug in the electric. Then you can start it with the main switch, and then the machine is functioning. First, you have to secure the container into the machine, which is done with these two arms. The alarm signal is necessary to warn all people around the machine that the machine is working, and they have to be attention that nothing can happen. So, and after that you can move the container in the right position for cleaning. Now the container is in the right position, and the customer can clean this container from the seed to that the seed will not mix with other seeds. To have a good light condition inside the container, we have these two LED lights, which can be turned into the direction of the container. You can also move it in the height, and of course you can activate the lights with a separate switch. Yes, that is the functioning of the machine. I hope it is interested for you. For the people which are interested who we are, I will give a short explanation. We produce since 40 years special attachments for forklift truck and machines, which can be stationary or mounted on cranes or on forklift trucks in individual design, especially in the reason, or especially for the customer wishes. I hope that is interested for you. If yes, please like us and follow us also via Facebook. So I can say goodbye until to the next video from us.